Alrighty, this is the Schindler 338 that goes up to level 9 at the Cypress garage for Lauderdale, Hollywood National Airport. It's kind of a stupid layout. You'd think the main ones would go up here, but they do not. I'm only taking one ride on this. That was a 500A you just heard. Here it is. How are you installed before we go? 2004. 9? What a weird layout. Get my bag out of the way. Here we go. Or 9. That was a nice motor. See, the main ones don't come up here. 8. It's your COP, 30 front round capacity. Adams Power plus CA buttons, 88 phone, RT fire service. This is a nice cab, I will give it that. Otherwise, it's just a Schindler 338, nothing too fancy at all. I do like the 2 panels though. Interesting. Alright. There it goes, and that'll be it.